Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to get a Suica card on a Samsung. Check if your Samsung device supports Suica, as Suica requires this specific NFC technology. Ensure your phone's region is set to Japan and that you have a Japanese Google account. Then, download and install the mobile Suica app from the Japanese Google Play Store. Here, open the mobile Suica app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Register a new Suica card within the app by selecting the appropriate option. Next, add funds to your Suica card using a compatible payment method linked to your account. Activate the Suica card for use by following the app's activation process. Now, test the Suica card by making a small purchase or using it at a transit gate. Regularly update the mobile Suica app to ensure continued compatibility and access to new features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.